In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a profit and loss statement, or P&L, in Zoho Books. This is an essential task for understanding your business's financial health, and I'll be guiding you through the process step by step to make it as simple as possible. To kick things off, let's navigate to the profit and loss report within Zoho Books. Start by locating the left-hand sidebar in your Zoho Books dashboard. This is your go-to starting point for accessing various financial reports. Click on the Reports option. Once you're there, you'll find a section labeled Business Overview. Under this header, you'll see the Profit and Loss option. Click on that, and you're on your way to assessing your business performance. Once you have accessed the Profit and Loss report, the next step is to make it more relevant and useful for your specific needs by customizing the report. To begin customizing, look towards the top left corner of the report page and click on Customize Report. This option allows you to tailor the report's data to fit specific requirements or time periods. A good start would be adjusting the date range. Use the date range filter to specify the period you want to review, whether that be the current month, the last quarter, or a custom range you've identified. This way, you ensure you're looking at the most pertinent data for your assessment period. Next, decide on the report basis. Here, you can choose between accrual and cash. This choice will define how income and expenses are reported, either when they are incurred, accrual, or when cash changes hands, cash. Also consider leveraging the Compare With filter. This is a powerful feature that allows you to compare your P&L with a previous period, specific projects, or tags, giving you a broader perspective on trends and changes over time. Moving forward, if your report requires focus on specific accounts, make the most of the Filter Accounts option. This ensures you are including only the accounts relevant to your analysis, streamlining your examination of your financials. Additionally, if you're running the report for a particular project, there is an advanced filter option for that too. Simply select Project and then choose the name of the project from the drop-down list to zero in on the segments of your business that matter most. Once you have finished customizing to your satisfaction, the final step is to click Run Report. This action generates your tailored profit and loss statement. With this in hand, you have a powerful tool ready to assist you in business decision-making. With these steps, creating a detailed and customized profit and loss statement in Zoho Books is both manageable and efficient. So go ahead, dive into your business's finances with confidence, and get the insights you need to drive success.